Now, at the Farnborough International Airshow in the UK, one message is becoming increasingly clear, and that is the future of warfare is being shaped by collaboration.
Also by automation and advanced technology. Now, American defense giants Boeing and General Atomics are drawing attention with a shared focus on the next generation of aerial combat, unmanned systems designed to transform the battlefield.
Both companies are showcasing unmanned aerial combat vehicles alongside European-made missile systems. This highlights a growing partnership between countries working together to develop the future of warfare.
UK Prime Minister Andy Burnham has addressed the Farnborough International Airshow, highlighting the role of defence and business in supporting Britain's reindustrialisation agenda.
I want to tell you about what I think we can achieve together. You might have heard me say that I am determined to deliver the biggest changes this country has seen in 40 years. At the heart of that, we are going to reindustrialise this nation and create the jobs and opportunities people desperately want to see. But we can't do that on our own. We will do it by working together with brilliant businesses like those at Farnborough this week. The civil, aerospace and defence sectors combined will support 500,000 jobs across the country.
Boeing is displaying the MQ-28 Ghost Bat, which is an uncrewed aircraft designed to fly alongside manned fighter jets. The concept represents a major shift in modern air combat, a future where autonomous aircraft could fly alongside human pilots and extend mission capabilities while reducing risk on the battlefield. At the Farnborough Airshow, the aircraft is being displayed with the European Meteor missile.
Now, the MQ-28 Ghost Bat drone demonstrates unmanned aerial power and comes with advanced weapon systems integrated into its system. It is mostly built for surveillance, electronic warfare, combat mission.
So we haven't even scratched the surface, I don't think, of the potential application of CCAs to modern warfare. We talk about air-to-air and people understand how that works. We talk about air-to-ground combat missions, but the intelligence, the surveillance, the reconnaissance, all those missions, the reason we have an M in front of our name.
The wars in Ukraine and West Asia have increased demand for air defense systems, missiles, counter-drone technology and even other military equipment. It is against this backdrop that defense has emerged as a major focus at Farnborough 2026, with increased presence of military technology at the air show. However, behind the display of cutting-edge technology of American defense firms lies a bigger picture.
As military spending surges on aircraft, missiles, drones and advanced defense technologies, American defense firms are increasingly looking to expand their presence in this rising market. Through strategic partnerships, major contracts and deeper industrial cooperation, these firms are positioning themselves as key players in Europe's defense modernization drive.
Standing in front of one of the star attractions here at the Farnborough Airshow, this is the MQ-28 Ghost Bat. It's been developed by Boeing Defence Australia along with the Australian government. It's a subsidiary of the American defence giant Boeing. Now, this is known as a force multiplier. It's an uncrewed system. It's going to be deployed along with fighter jets. It could be deployed in the dozens or even more, along with each fighter jet. And it's meant to carry more muscle and more air power. This is the shot in the arm for every fighter jet after the learnings that global defense giants have drawn from the wars in West Asia and the ongoing wars in Europe. There is a bigger story here, though. As I noticed that Boeing, which is an American defense giant, it is positioned along with MBDA Meteor. Now, this is a European missile. America largely depends on its own missiles for its own systems. It will go for the Patriots or the Tomahawks and the other arsenal of missiles that it has. But here, and what I learned on ground, is that the collaborative combat aircraft, the MQ-28, was parked on Thursday, and Friday morning, suddenly this European missile was positioned right next to it.